Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, Buzz Life has reported something that I think most of you would feel sorry. I hope you are going to feel sorry. So, Buzz Life News reported, arrested. S.A. Amapiano singer Scott Maphuma has been detained at police station in Matolo, Mozambique, for failing to arrive on time for a child's event. Ooh, yeah. Arrested, S.A. Amapiano singer Scott Maphuma has been detained at a police station in Matolo, Mozambique for failing to arrive on time for a child's event. I was looking for the comments and hoping South Africans would say, not with our Scots. Hayi, buza bathini. Udlams wathi bathini bona. Uzulile about this guy has been testing fate. He literally created his own karma. And then Sewela Nkwana, yani, he probably gave them attitude. That's why they got arrested. Arnold said, "What is Batini born?" in Portuguese. Because if I say Batini born, uzophuma. You got arrested for that? Mozambique doesn't play, guys. Mozambique is not South Africa. And then the other one says, no matter what you do, don't disappoint kids. Look now. One of his disappointment fans is behind this. There's no way. No, I agree. Like somebody is busy sabotaging scores at left, right, and center. This cannot be normal. Bona, it cannot. And then I said we will be there. And then the last one that I found interesting says, pride comes before the fall. So be careful how you act, how you present yourself, because when things like that happen, people will rejoice and think, like, share, subscribe.